Dito malalaman natin ang hindi lang ang mga saloobin kundi ang nasa sa puso ng ating mga Miss You.
Ang questions po nila ay magagaling sa ating mga judges.
Meron silang 45 seconds lamang para sumagot. Kaya kailangan, they gotta be quick on their feet.
Quick on their feet. That's right. Let's call on our Miss You from Universidad de Manila, Angela Patrice Gloria.
Angela, her hobbies include watching movies and reading novels. She plays basketball. She loves writing stories. Ladies and gentlemen, time to get to know Angela Patrice Gloria of Universidad de Manila. Hi, Angela.
Hi, Angela. Nice to meet you.
Hello.
How are you feeling?
A little bit nervous.
A little bit nervous.
Yeah.
What course are you taking in Universidad de Manila?
Business Administration major in Marketing Management po.
Aba, BSBA Marketing Management. Angela, anong goals mo post-college? Anong gusto mo sanang industriyang pasukin?
Of course po, yun nga po yung course ko is business. Of course, I want to be in the business field po talaga. I was planning po talaga na gumawa ng sarili kong restaurant.
Your own restaurant. Alright,
She wants to be
luck.
her own boss.
Good
Alright,
luck, Angela.
Let's pick your judge.
Okay, relax, Angela. Gusto ka lang namin, you're already a winner, all 10 of you. Gusto lang namin kayo makilala ng mas mabuti. And also with the judges.
Alright, Angela, you picked Miss Shamsi Supsup Lee. Shamsi, what is your question for Angela?
Hi, Angela. So here's my question. Huwag kang kabahan, okay? Listen. Malaki ang impluwensya ng internet sa mga kabataan. Kung gagawa ka ng sarili mong website, anong content nito at bakit?
You have 45 seconds to answer that question, Angela, and the timer starts now.
Thank you po sa question na yun. Kung gagawa po ako ng sarili kong website, ang content po ng website na yun is yung mga experiences ko sa buhay bilang estudyante, bilang isang normal na teenager. At dun ko rin po gagawin na makipag-communicate pa sa ibang mga teenagers para matulungan ko po sila sa mga struggles din po nila sa buhay. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Alright. With plenty time to spare. Thank you very much, Angela.
And you may now relax for a while. Thank you very much, Angela.
See you a little bit later. Let's call on our Miss You from Siena College this time. Welcome back, Therese Alcantara.
See Therese. She loves watching movies and reading magazines. She collects printed papers with European themes. Please welcome Therese Alcantara of Siena College.
Hello, Therese.
Hi, Therese. Okay, I want to ask quickly, Therese, yung hobby
Her
mo.
hobby.
Ngayon ko lang
Oo,
narinig
kakaiba
yun. You collect papers?
Yes,
Sa
po, printed papers po
Okay.
with Eiffel Towers or European countries.
Stationery?
Opo.
Okay.
Or minsan notepads.
Or notepads? Okay.
And why do you do this? How did you develop that hobby?
Natuwa lang po kasi design niya.
Right. So, basta European-inspired ang
Yes po.
tema.
And it is really my dream to travel in Paris.
Travel. After all, she is taking BS Travel Management. Si Therese.
There you go.
Okay,
Well,
so Therese, good luck with your question and answer.
Thank you.
And please
Bunot ka na,
pick a
Therese.
judge. Thank you very much. You picked
Relax, Therese.
Miss Nina Richie Alagao Flores.
Hi, Therese.
Hello po.
Nervyos? Hindi naman.
Sakto lang po.
Okay, I'm glad. My question for you is, who is your role model and what is the best advice he or she has given you?
Go ahead, Therese.
45 seconds, and it starts now.
For me, marami pong role model sa buhay ko ang pwede nating ano sa buhay. Pero the best role model for me is my mother because she's the one who always tell me that believe in yourself, always do your best, just have faith in yourself and faith in God. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Therese. Maraming salamat sa iyong sagot. And for now, you may join your co-contestant si Angela. Go on.
Thank you, Therese.
And thank you very much, Miss Nina Richie Alagao Flores, for that question.
There you have it, our 2 Miss Yous for today.
Okay, judges, pwede nyo na pong ilagay ang score sa binigay nyo sa mga contestants sa Miss You inbox. So every day, our Miss You contestants will go one-on-one and be scored individually by our
That's right,
judges.
Ryan. Every day we'll continue to meet 2 new Miss Yous. And we're gonna tally the scores at the end of the week. Ito po mga scores na sinusulat ng ating mga judges para malaman kung sino po ang mga magpapatuloy sa susunod na mga linggo dito sa ating Miss You.
At mga Dabarkats, hindi pa po dyan nagtatapos ang challenges ng Miss You. Every week, meron tayong...
I like this one.
You like this one? Okay. Meron tayong every week, mga Dabarkats, sa Miss You project. At dito, mas makikita ang puso ng ating mga Miss You.
Ang project po nila ngayon ay ang 1,000 peso challenge.
So wait, this is for the whole week, ano? Buong linggo, ito ang gagawin natin mga Miss You. 1,000 peso challenge. Ngayon, ito mangyayari. Ladies, listen up. This is what's gonna happen with the 1,000 peso challenge. We're gonna give you each 1,000 pesos. And then, yung sa 1,000 pesos na yun, bahala na kayo. Diskarte nyo na yun. Kung paano kayo makakatulong, anong gagawin niyo sa 1,000 pesos to change somebody's life or maybe to make somebody happy. All you have is 1,000 pesos.
At bilang proof ng inyong ginawa sa 1,000 pesos na yan, kailangan ninyong gumawa ng 1-minute video na nagpapakita kung paano nyo po ginawa ang challenge na ito.
Ang Miss You na may pinaka-creative at life-changing na output for the project will take home a very special prize.
Kaya Dabarkads, abangan ninyo ang mga videos na yan dito sa Miss You.
Thank you very much, ladies. Very nice to meet you, and we look forward to seeing you still throughout the week. And judges, maraming salamat. And
We look forward to seeing you also for the rest of the week.
we don't envy your job dahil alam ko mahihirapan kayo. So good luck too sa ating mga judges. Dabarkads, susunod na mga hits na kumakanta ng classic songs, bibida na sa LP's Lola's playlist sa nag-iisang teleserye. Sa pagbabalik po yan ng Eat Bulaga!